Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator, and it's the market update for November 11, 2020. Happy Veteran Day for those of you out there. We thank you very much for your sacrifice for the country. So today is a special day for your guys. So let's get started. Okay, so overall the market right now, look at the SPY daily chart. We can see here the market is after they run up, they hit to the resistance and the people sell up. So the market is right away to come back down. So that where the market is break out. So they come back and retest it. They'll be able to hold up, and today they'll be able to turn around and put it back up. So the question here is what the market is going to do next. So right now, if you look at to the left side here, this is where the market hit to the top here. They come back down. They try to break out, couldn't do it. So they come back and retest, and now the first thing is they have to clear this area here to continue for the upside. So in the short term, we see that the market, they come down, they found a support on the video that I told you yesterday. So all the market, they found a support, and today they try to bounce back up. So right now, the market is still heading up to the uptrend. So right now, this is the level that we have to watch out to see when the market hit to this level here, what are they going to do here? Okay, if they be able to continue with a strong momentum, they will continue to the upside. But if it's not, then we will watch out when they hit to this area here. Are they going to come back down, or they continue to the upside? Okay, so if you look at the E-mini SB 500, okay, you can see here the market is also try to hit to test the previous high right here. This is the fair breakout, so they come back up. So we still have some problem here overnight. So let's see that the market be able to hold up here and be able to follow momentum, and then tomorrow or Thursday and Friday will continue to the upside. Okay, so if you are a day trader in our live trading today, we know that the market is going to go sideways, choppy. So that's why we are wanting all our members to have to take the profit very quickly. So when the market is open, you know that the trend is already down. So the people take a first short here to get 10 points. And after that, they found the support, and then they turn it out. We take another quick trade for 10 points. So total is 20 points, 10 for down, 10 for up. So total, they collected $1,000 for the first 1 hour. So this is what we are doing every day in our live trading room for our expert trader member. So besides we do this, we also analyze a lot of stock for the swing trade so that we can make a bigger profit potential. So I took a couple of trades there for day trades to make some income for myself. So the total net profit for day trading is $1,782. And then I also closed some of the quick swing trade here because the market goes sideways. So another 1,000 something. So the total net profit for today is $3,112. Well, it's not bad for the day. So this is what we're doing every day. So if you are not our member, make sure that you sign up with our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will alert you so that you can see where the market heading to. Now let's take a look on a lot of stock today. You can see that today the market they really gained some momentum, especially if you watched the video yesterday. I told you a lot of stuff that they found a support on the support level, and today they just run it up. Okay, like QQQ, you can see here at the they were able to find a support. They turn to the upside again, and Apple, okay, also found a support. Try to put it back up. Adobe, another one, they found support yesterday. Amazon also try to turn around. CMG also have a support and turn around. Costco also found a support, turn around. Facebook, another one, I told you yesterday, and then today they find a way to put it back up again. And a lot of technology stock, they really push it up strong today. So let's see how far they can carry momentum for another breakout. Okay, Tesla also found a support. Okay, a lot of technology stock, they really try to make a U-turn here. Okay, so let's see how far they can go. They can retest the top, or they will punch through it. We will have another high. And the semiconductor sector also doing extremely well. Okay, SMS also filed a support here yesterday, and then they put it back up. They're leading by AMD, right, and Lam Research, as you can see, Nvidia. Okay, those stocks at the leader of a semiconductor sector, and then they try to make a turn there. And today, there's a lot of solar stock that also try to make a turn here. Let's see if they're able to continue to get up to the top there. As you can see here, most of them try to turn around. Okay, so a lot of airline stock that they hit the home run yesterday, so today they pull back a little bit. Okay, so like Boeing, okay, the Delta Airline, Southwest Airlines, so they go up too fast for people to come back, so they probably retest. They break out that area here, they have to retest to see that, okay, they'll be able to hold up at this level, and then we will see where they go next. Okay, the banking is still very strong. Okay, a lot of banks they'll be able to hold up pretty well after the run up from yesterday. Okay, so Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, JP Morgan. Okay, as long as they still carry that momentum, they still be able to put it back up. Okay, so a lot of outdoor stock. Okay, they come back down. They also put it back up, and a couple of the bio stock like Johnson Johnson, they go back, they pull back down, they still hold up the momentum on the upside there. So every day they go up, hit resistance, they pull back, they have a support. So let's see where are they going to go next. Okay, so this is what we have for you today. So let's see where the market is going to. Overall, the trend, the market is still puts it back up. So by Thursday or Friday, we'll be able to see that the market, how strong they'll be able to hold up, and then they can push it higher, or they will stop at double top, and then we will see, and then we will inform you on everyday video. Okay, so if you would like to learn how to do day trade to make some extra daily income for yourself and your family, and also learn how to do swing trade by using modern technical analysis and the crowd psychology, so you can understand the market, how they move in the price action format. Okay, all right, so if you want to do that, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com. we have a video feed video for you there to see how we trade. Okay, so please check it out. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.